doing 100 kilometers an hour. R101 from Mokopane all the way to Polo. It's what we call the freedom of the road. If you want to think, you just hit the road and start going. The car is very fuel efficient. If you look at the gauge now, it's still full. It hasn't moved a bar. It's a good car. It's a 2016 Volkswagen Polo, 1.2 litre, 4-cylinder engine, producing 81 kilowatts of power and 175 newton meters of torque. It has a 7-speed DSG transmission auto box. It's a very great auto box. I'm on cruise right now. I'm not changing anything. My foot isn't on the accelerator. The car is just driving itself.